Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to join LinkedIn groups on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, firstly here, of course, you just have to open your LinkedIn applications, guys, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And if you wanna join to other group, you just have to tap on this icon, which is your profile icon at the top left. We'll see here the groups options, guys, and it will be look like this if you don't have any groups before. Now if you want to join it, you just have to tap on this discover, and you just have to choose the groups that you want to join it. For example, here I'm gonna join to this group. This is only for example, guys. And for the groups, there are many options, like this first option, which is you just have to request it first for the admin that you want to join the group. And for other groups, there are already joined it, guys, because the group is not private like this. So here you just have to scroll it down, and you can choose the group that you want to join as a member. For example, again, I'm gonna join to this group. And if you're done, you just have to go back. It will be look like this at this group page. I'm gonna go ahead to these groups, and this is the group that I have joined before, and I'm as a members. For the requested options here, this is the groups that private, guys, so you have to wait for the accept from the admin groups. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.